Samsung icemaker ntgt001ta1 fills with water, frezzes but will not dump.
How long have you had your ntgt001ta1?
6 years.
What have you tried so far with your Samsung product?
Took it out, bought new motor control with temp sensor installed and smae no change.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No.
Hi, my name is I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I will be glad to help you today. Are you able to test the icemaker to see if it is getting voltage?
It runs, water goes in tray, freezes but will not dump, can push switch in bottom and will go into dump cycle but ice does not release and then go back and fill with water. It looks like to me that it tries because it seems to put more water on top of frozen ice.
In that case, the issue is the water valve. The solenoid in the valve is not opening and closing the valve. Replace the water valve on the back of the fridge and that will solve the issue.
65,279, yes it has and turns, twist goes back, fills with water, but to make dump you have to push switch under bottom, acts like it tries to go to dump or does go but does not dump, for it fills with water correct but later when you check it will be overfilled, like later water goes in on ice that did not dump. 65,279, no water goes in tray and freeze just will not fumo. 65,279, dump.
Yes, so the water valve is the problem. If you replace the water valve on the fridge, that will solve the issue.
65,279, the electric pump in rear bottom that pumps stir. 65,279, is that the water valve you're talking about?
The water valve is the component that the water line connects to on the back.
65,279, okay.
If you are quite handy, it certainly is a DIY project. You can still comment or ask questions even after positively rating my service. I am happy to continue to help and I will always respond. I haven't heard from you. Was the information I provided helpful?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.